Today, we will be highlighting some of the differences between two of Flowmaster's most popular kits for the new Broncos. Now, to my right, I have Pumbaa, my 4-door Sasquatch Badlands with the 2.7 and the 10-speed automatic. Now, Pumbaa here will be rocking the American Thunder exhaust system. Now, to my left, we have the yet-to-be-named 2-door Sasquatch Badlands, also stunning the 2.7 and the 10-speed auto. Now this white 2-door will be equipped with the Outlaw high clearance axleback exhaust system. Now before we take a listen, which I know it's the main thing we all want to do, we're gonna go over a few specs for each of these kits and then we'll fire these puppies up and we'll take a listen. Let's start with the good old American Thunder. With dyno gains of 19 horsepower and 19 foot-pounds of torque, this kit adds a little spice to that already peppy twin turbo engine. This will work on the 2.3 or the 2.7 and it only takes minutes to install. Now I've been running this kit in my Bronco for the past 2 months and I can tell you from personal experience that while it's not a V8 sound, it's not shaking your house when you start it up, it definitely adds a little bit more aggressive tone to your Bronco. It's not obnoxious, it's not anything crazy, but it definitely adds some attitude to your Bronco, if that makes sense. And for 400 bucks, it should definitely be in your top 3 as far as options go for your new Bronco. Now, muscling its way into the top 3 conversation with a price point of 130 bucks at the time of filming this, we have the Outlaw high clearance axleback exhaust system for your new Bronco. I know, it's a mouthful. Also compatible with the 2.3 or the 2.7, this kit cuts all the BS and goes straight to dumping out as much noise as possible without getting into more complicated procedures than just a few nuts and bolts. Now, again, this thing is a 2.7 V6, so it's not screaming down the freeway at 60, 70 miles an hour, but it does add a more aggressive sound without too much work. This kit also adds 15 horsepower and 16 foot-pounds of torque at the rear wheels. But I know none of you guys care about that. All you guys want to do is listen to these things. So without further ado, we are going to be doing some side-by-side noise comparisons with these things so that you guys can listen for yourselves. We will also be doing a couple more comparisons driving, so feel free to stick around for those as well. So there you guys go. Feel free to play that back and listen to it a couple times. One thing to note is, yes, we realize that there might be some slight differences between the 2-door and the 4-door because the 4-door has a longer pipe, but those differences will be subtle, if any at all, so you shouldn't have to worry about it. Next up, we are going to crawl into these puppies and do some on-road driving comparisons with mics mounted in a couple different places. The first will be a mic mounted inside the cab. The second will be a mic mounted outside, just to highlight some of the different noise differences between the two kits. Alrighty folks, so there you have it, the Outlaw versus the American Thunder, two very aggressive sounding Flowmaster kits for your new Bronco. Let us know in the comment section which one you think sounded better, and let us know if you want to see us do anything else with these two, whether that be an install video or anything like that. If you guys got any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. Also, both of these kits are available on our website. The links are in the description with more information, so make sure you check them out if you have any questions. And one last thing to do is make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. Become one of the horsemen. We would love to have you. Make sure you like the video, share it with a friend. It really helps us out. And yeah, with all of that being said, we will see you guys out there on the trail. Peace!